I'm technical operations manager for a startup called Bios Health. We're a medical device startup doing neural engineering to try and treat chronic disease. And it's my job as technical operations manager to link the business objectives of the business with the technical objectives of the team. I was actually very fortunate in that I found this company through the MBA program, but really appreciate all the work from the careers team helping me, both prepare, interviews, how to actually talk to, startups, founders, things like that, work on my resume, work on understanding how to link my engineering experience to, the larger kind of career goals that I had beyond just the technical stuff to actually running and operating a business. I'm an engineer in my heart and from my undergrad degree, but I really wanted to understand from the MBA how to broaden that same skill set into managing teams of engineers and businesses. And so I really appreciated all the management science work that we did, all the work that we did on how to negotiate, on how to properly run and manage teams, so that I can actually use those skills for the service of a really cool idea that I'm very passionate about. I moved countries. I moved from just a technical engineer to an operations role. And then I went from medical devices to a medtech startup. So I was really interested in how do you make an organization successful beyond the individual talent. And so I really wanted the MBA experience because I wanted to be able to say, how can I take a good idea and make it more than a good idea, an actual business, something that's viable, that we can work on, that we can grow. And so that's what I found most valuable from the MBA program. So I was able to actually get a broader understanding of how business operates, how the finance side works, get comfortable with all those business skills so I can link that up and kind of bring both the engineering skill set and the business skill set together to make something that's a really cool career. Throughout the year in the MBA, me and some friends entered into several startup competitions. So we did the INSEAD product competition in the fall, and then the McKinsey Venture Academy in the summer. And that was a wonderful experience because it was a direct application of all the entrepreneurship skills that we would be learning in class. It was a way to actually practically develop an idea and really put in the legwork to figure out how to make it successful. And it was immediately applicable to my job because all those same things we're thinking about, go-to-market strategy, how to reach your consumer, how to actually do the operations of running a team with there's nothing that exists at all, was immediately relevant and really helped me kind of hit the ground running in that new role. I think the thing that helped me most from the CVP and the GCP, because I did CVP for a medical device company in the area, actually. So it was a really great window into how that industry works here in the UK. And then the summer was doing operations for Lego. And those really helped me get comfortable as a technical engineer in my background. And with consulting and that experience, I really had to broaden my understanding and get comfortable. I mean, I loved everything I learned in class, and it's been so valuable. But even more, I've loved being able to interface with all my classmates because they have such a wide range of experiences, far different than mine, from so many different fields, so many different industries. And that's such an enriching experience that you really can't get in any other microcosm. And I mean, I can't even tell you just how much that's broadened my view as a person, in both in personal and professional growth. And I know it's something that's going to continue to be valuable throughout the rest of my career